United States Department of Agriculture logo. Look and cook recipes. Discover MyPlate logo. Team Nutrition image art. 5 kindergarten-age children wash their hands using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands and then use the paper towel to turn off the water. Wash hands for 20 seconds. Friendship pocket. The recipe ingredients are shown on a table. Half of a whole wheat pita pocket is on the child's plate. A child completes the following steps to assemble the friendship pocket. Use hands to put empty bowl on the table. Use a tong to choose 1 slice of turkey to put into the empty bowl. Use hands to fold turkey slice in half and put into the whole wheat pita pocket. Use a tong to choose 2 leaves of romaine lettuce to put into the empty bowl. Use hands to shred romaine lettuce into the bowl. Use hands to put shredded lettuce into the whole wheat pita pocket. Use a spoon to scoop cheddar cheese into the whole wheat pita pocket. Use a tong to choose 3 apple slices to put onto the plate next to the full pita pocket. Child smiling with their finished friendship pocket with the on-screen text, "Yum." Fruitalicious breakfast cup. The recipe ingredients are shown on a table. A child completes the following steps to assemble the Fruitalicious breakfast cup. Use a spoon to scoop yogurt into an 8 to 10 ounce plastic cup. Series of shots showing cereal, blueberries, yogurt, cereal, and peach chunks being added in layers into the cup. Child smiling with their finished Fruitalicious breakfast cup with the on-screen text, "Mmm." Crunchy rainbow wrap. The recipe ingredients are shown on a table. A whole wheat tortilla is on the child's plate. A child completes the following steps to assemble the crunchy rainbow wrap. Use spoon to scoop cream cheese and spreads it evenly on the tortilla. Use hands to remove cream cheese from table and puts empty bowl on the table. Use tongs to pick up slices of red bell pepper to put into the empty bowl. Use hands to place red bell peppers in horizontal line at one end of the wrap. Use tongs to pick up shredded carrots to put into the empty bowl. Use hands to place shredded carrots in horizontal line next to the red bell peppers. Use spoon to scoop corn to put into the empty bowl. Use hands to place corn in horizontal line next to the shredded carrots. Use tongs to pick up shredded romaine lettuce to put into the empty bowl. Use hands to place shredded romaine lettuce in horizontal line next to the corn. Use tongs to pick up shredded purple cabbage to put into the empty bowl. Use hands to place shredded purple cabbage in horizontal line next to the shredded romaine lettuce. Roll the wrap, starting with the edge closest to the body to roll up the filled tortilla tightly. Child smiling with their finished crunchy rainbow wrap with the on-screen text, "Tasty." Food group friend. The recipe ingredients are shown on a table. A brown rice cake is on the child's plate. A hard-boiled egg slice is on the brown rice cake as a nose. A child completes the following steps to assemble the food group friend. Use a fork to pick up 2 banana slices to put on the brown rice cake for eyes. Use tongs to pick up 2 blueberries to put on top of the banana slices. Use tongs to pick up 2 beans to put on the brown rice cake for cheeks. Use tongs to pick up 1 red bell pepper slice to put on the brown rice cake for a mouth. Use tongs to pick up pre-stringed string cheese to put on plate above the brown rice cake. Use hands to make cheese look like hair. Child smiling with their food group friend with the on-screen text, "Fun." Garden bite. The recipe ingredients are shown on a table. A whole grain cracker is on the child's plate. A child completes the following steps to assemble a garden bite. Use spoon to scoop black bean dip and spread on cracker. Use tongs to pick up shredded lettuce to put on cracker. Use spoon to scoop cubed avocado to put on cracker. Use spoon to scoop corn to put on cracker. Use spoon to scoop shredded carrots to put on cracker. Use spoon to scoop plain yogurt to put on cracker. 4 additional pre-made crackers appear in sequence on the plate with the cracker made by the child, showing 5 total. Child smiling with their garden bite with the on-screen text, "So good." Access Discover MyPlate, nutrition education for kindergarten materials at www.teamnutrition.usda.gov. QR code is shown with instructions to scan the QR code with your mobile device. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender.